What up, fam? Welcome back to the Fit Men Cook Kitchen. Okay, first off, your eyes are not deceiving you. Yes, we are back in action with meal prep. Today, we have a mix and match meal prep video for you that touches on a very timely and important topic right now, budgeting. Here's what's happening right now. Dollar stores are seeing the highest growth of any retail category. We're talking 2.8% growth year over year in 2024. Why? A lot of reasons. One of them is debt. The average American is carrying over $100,000 in debt. Credit card debt alone is at $1.2 trillion. And then here's the stat that really matters right now, and that's 80% of Americans are really concerned about their financial situation. In fact, 1 in 3 people say they do not feel financially secure right now. And I know this struggle personally. When I lost my job in 2008 at the recession, I was back home in my childhood home, living off food stamps. I will say, even though I did not have a lot of money, I did have a lot of determination and creativity, and I was destined to not eat the same boring meal for the rest of my life. I proved to myself, and I've proven to y'all over the years, that you can eat well at any budget because wellness belongs to everyone. So today, I went to my Dollar General, grabbed just a few ingredients to build a custom meal plan. I'm talking about at least 10 different meals just from 6 core prepped ingredients. And guess what? The whole budget for this was under $30. So I'm gonna break down exactly what I bought, show you the batch cooking method to get all this stuff done quickly, and then show you the first 10 meals that I was able to put together. By changing the preparation method and by mixing and matching the different ingredients together, you can trick your taste buds into having different meals, but with the same ingredients. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get into it, then let's get started. Okay. Total came out to $29.15. Here's everything that I purchased from Dollar General. 2 dozen eggs, canned chicken instead of canned tuna, but canned tuna is slightly cheaper, just FYI. Some chicken broth, some white rice, some pasta, and some dried beans. Yes, you can use canned beans instead of dried beans, but dried beans are always gonna be a lot more cost efficient. And I'll show you an easy, quick soak hack so that way you don't have to soak these overnight. You can do it all just in 1 hour. Diced tomatoes, frozen veggies there. Any kind of veggies will do. You gotta eat it, so pick what you do like. These aren't required, but I just bought these anyway, just to maybe jazz up any type of recipe. Chipotle and some green chilies. You will need a raw onion for this meal prep. I did not buy the onions from Dollar General because they only came in the 5-pound or 3-pound bags, and I don't need that many onions, so I already have one at home, but you could just buy 1 onion from your local grocer. All these meals come together with a few components. The beauty of this is just timing. You're not cooking one thing at a time while waiting around. You're gonna stagger everything so it all comes together at the same time. We're starting with the beans because they take the longest. Now, ideally, you soak these overnight. If you didn't plan ahead, do a quick soak. Put your dried beans in a pot, cover them with water, bring to a boil for just 2 minutes, turn off the heat and let it sit for 1 hour. Gives the same result as overnight. Saute that onion and add the beans. I'm gonna add some flavor with my Land Urban Garlic Blend. Cover it with water or broth, bring to a boil, and we're simmering for 1 hour in the background. In the end, the beans should be soft and creamy. I do a quick post blend with my immersion blender to intensify that creaminess. I didn't show this, but we're boiling the extra carton of eggs. This way you'll have at least 12 hard-boiled eggs ready to use throughout the week for snacks, toppings, extra protein. Next up, you're gonna cook the rice, do a quick rinse. We're gonna toast it first to intensify that flavor, to speed up the cooking and to prevent mushy rice. Let it toast for a couple minutes. This is called blooming. Now I add in my Land Urban Garlic seasoning to make the rice taste like a dish by itself. Simmer for 20 or until it's cooked through. While the rice is cooking, let's work on the tomato base. You get 4 cans of the diced tomatoes, then the optional can of the green chilies go into the pot. You're gonna add my Taco Titan and Land Urban Garlic Blend. That's it. We're essentially creating our own flavorful condiment or sauce without the added calories, preservatives. For the frozen veggies, don't thaw them. We throw them straight in a pan with the hot oil with my Land Urban Garlic seasoning. Do a quick toss. 5 to 7 minutes, let them get that good sear on them. I often prefer frozen veggies over fresh veggies because if you don't get to those veggies right away, they won't spoil in the freezer. Lastly, boil that pasta. Okay, let's start putting these meals together. First up, do not do all these meals. You can just pick a few for the first few days, then move to something else. We just want variety and flexibility. Meal number 1, we got a bean and tomato rice bowl. Technically, you can eat this meal hot or cold, but I like mine hot. Meal number 2, you're gonna scramble some eggs and just enjoy those with some beans and veggies. You're gonna think of a naked breakfast burrito. High protein, this actually fills you up. It works for breakfast or dinner. Number 3, always a classic, we got the chicken or tuna fried rice. This is where that day-old rice comes in clutch. All you're gonna do is break it up in the skillet, add in the veggies, scramble up some eggs, and if you want, you could toss in some meat, but it's up to you. Quick and satisfying. Meal number 4, we got beans and tomato pasta. You're gonna warm everything together and then toss it with the pasta. It's kind of reminiscent of a pasta e fagioli at an Italian restaurant. The savory, slow-cooked beans really make this dish. Number 5, we got a quick tuna and vegetable broth soup. If you're in a rush, bowl, broth, chicken or tuna, veggies, and rice if you want. Microwave for 3 minutes, you're done. Meal number 6, you got a rice and egg bowl with seasoned veggies. You're gonna warm your rice and veggies, you're gonna fry up the 2 eggs and layer it in a bowl. This is simple and satisfying with no complicated steps. Meal number 7, we have a bean and egg skillet. Warm up the beans and the rice, add in the veggies, and then the fried eggs, or it's an option to use the boiled eggs. Meal number 8, one of my favorites, sauteed bean and vegetable skillet. You're gonna add those slow cooked beans to a skillet and cook them until the edges get nice and crispy. Add in the veggies, serve with rice. Meal 9, we've got an egg and tuna or chicken skillet. This is different from the fried rice because you're combining the chicken and the eggs in the pan with the veggies. Gives you a different texture, different flavor. And you have the option to keep this low carb or serve with rice. Meal number 10, we got a chicken or tuna pasta with our tomatoes. Now surprisingly, this tastes like a restaurant dish, but it only costs you like under $1 to make. All these meals are possible with just 1 hour of actual work. Everything else is just mixing and matching. Before I let you go, fam, the most important thing is to make this your own. Yes, you may not like certain ingredients, you can swap them out with what actually works for you. If you don't like chicken, then you can use tuna. If you don't like tuna, then you could use ground meat. Whatever it is, you gotta make it work for your budget and make it work for your taste buds. All I know is that whatever budget you got, we can absolutely make it work. Even if that means you gotta supplement some stuff from the food pantry. Boom. There you go. And that is it for today's video, fam. I hope that you really enjoyed it. You can go to my website right now, fitmencook.com, and you could grab this entire meal plan. If you like content like this, smash that like button. And if you want to support me and keep this content free, then you can also buy my spice blends there on fitmencook.com. Just click on the shop button or go to thefitcook.com. These are no salt added spice blends, so hey, you can be very liberal and heavy handed with them. That's all I use to flavor these 10 meals here. All right, y'all, until next time, I want y'all to keep it healthful, and I will see y'all, I guess, when I see you. I'll see y'all. I got to figure out this new thing, y'all. You see what I'm doing? I'm trying to adapt to something new. I don't want to say the exact same thing I did before, so we'll have to vote on it. We'll just vote on it. All right, y'all. See you next week.